subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss an update. Welcome to Lady Mary Bath. I will share with you an unexpected haul from a resale shop that I popped into today. I actually went to the farmer's market in Tomball, Texas, and across the street is Team Tomball Emergency Area Ministries that benefits the community. And this wonderful resale shop is a hidden gem and perfect for treasure hunting. Let me show you all the things that I found. Well, this was definitely shopping with a purpose. All the proceeds benefit the community, and I found things that I actually can incorporate into tablescapes and things that really make me smile. Starting out with this red tablecloth. It's a very simple, easy care. For $4, I bought both of the cloths because you never know when you have two tables that you're setting, especially if it's outdoors, and napkins. So tablecloths at $4 each and $5.25 for 7 napkins. I'm really happy to have these, and I think that that would be perfect for the patriotic table. And these interesting oval metal napkin rings intrigued me. I was thinking they were vintage, and I did some research. They're from IKEA, and even though they were probably very affordable at the time, they're going for $40 on eBay right now. So that is going to be really fun, and I think I could even work that into the 4th of July table. I like to incorporate scarves in a tablescape or on a bedside table. This is a Vera silk scarf, and I like that it's the red, white, and blue without screaming stars and stripes, like this one here, which could be very useful in my table decor. We'll just see how it all works out. But I think that that could be a lot of fun draped on the table or around a vase. And with the patriotic theme, I also got 4 red candles at 25 cents each. Those will be useful for many holidays. But the ribbon, I think, is fun. This is wired ribbon. It was $2.50. Really nice. And this was quite something. For $5, I got a tag bowl. And I wasn't very familiar with the brand. I did research it. It's sold at Macy's, and a small bowl is $30. So I don't know what the retail would be on this, but I think $5 was a really good deal. And this silk arrangement is fun and festive for July 4th. It's got some embellishments, and for $4, this would be fun for outdoors or even just for a fun barbecue get-together, table setting, buffet. So I was glad to get that to go with the theme. The patriotic items are fun, but this is really what makes my heart sing, the elegant and beautiful items. This is a biscuit barrel that's missing a lid. It probably got broken somewhere along the way. And for $11, this is going to be great for a buffet to place utensils, knives and forks. You could also line it with a pretty little napkin and fill it with cookies for a tea table. I see so many possibilities. And of course, it could be used for flowers as well. And it seems like I find Waterford wherever I go. This is a sweet shell clock that is great for a bedside table with a shell design. Absolutely thrilled for $5. It was very yellowed and dirty. I wasn't sure if I could clean it up. A little bit of dish soap and it was like new. Glad to have this. And the golden brocade napkins and table runner for $10.75. I have the 9 napkins. This is very elegant, will be perfect around the holidays. I can see that being a beautiful table setting, or you could simply place this on the dining table with florals for every day. And let me show you some of the other items that I found. This porcelain tea warmer is such an unexpected and delightful find. I could not believe my eyes. It is made by Tirschenreuth, Bavaria, Germany, and it's the Baroness pattern, which is the same pattern that I just acquired very recently through a friend. I have never seen this before. In fact, I've never seen the pattern. It's usually shipped from Germany, and it's perfect for a teapot. You put a tea light inside and place your teapot on top, and it keeps it warm while you're serving your guests. And I haven't even found this online in Germany. I've been looking. So for $5, this really makes my day. Now let me share with you some fashion items that I found. A thrift store visit is always fun when you find fashion. Team has wedding gowns and all kinds of high-end labels, great accessories, and my daughter and I found a few items that I will share with you. This Ann Taylor Loft blouse was $7.99. I think this needs dinner out. I really like the feel of the fabric and the design. This J. Crew sleeveless top with lace and a bit of sparkle is really an interesting piece. Would be great for business suit or for more of a casual, upscale, going out with your friends kind of look. This cavi blouse was $7.99. I've done a French tuck because it's a bit long and very versatile. I could see this with an army green or with any other neutral color. My daughter chose this tie-dye oversized top, and I think it's really interesting for the right setting. And for $5, I know that she will get lots of use out of this. I might even be borrowing it. My daughter chose a two-piece Emma James set. So first I'm wearing just the top because I think you could easily break it up and wear it with some white pants. This two-piece set was $9.99. You could also just use the skirt and maybe a crisp white shirt with a bow tie, something that adds a bit of interest and is a solid. And even though this looks maybe a little bit older, I think it's great that she has chosen this at her age and I can borrow it. The unexpected visit to Team Resale was definitely worth my while. I enjoyed learning more about their mission and how they benefit the community, and I have items to incorporate into tablescapes and the coveted tea warmer. I hope that you find local thrift stores in your area, especially those that benefit the community, that you can patronize and maybe even donate to. Thanks again for joining Lady Mary Beth. I hope that you get inspired to find simple ways to beautify your life, bargain shopping, and home decor. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.